The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
My people, Dancehall skilla they here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. My people, may have some breaking information to give you right now. You see me I say? I mean, these information have me thinking. You see me? These information make me start think about some things that RT Boss said in our video that I talk about in our previous video that I posted. My people, I got information that the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith died as a result of a motor vehicle accident. Now, my people, I have some pictures and videos that shows the scene of the motor vehicle accident that happened to our viewers and subscribers. You see? Now, before I'm going no further in this video, I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the things that I'm about to talk to you about and some of the pictures and videos that I'm about to present to you are not suitable for everyone. So viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, my people, I got information that the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith died as a result of a motor vehicle accident. And this incident happened today, the 25th of October, the year 2021. So I got information that Kevin Smith was being transported by police officers from the parish that is known as St. James to Kingston, Jamaica. See? And it is said that the motor vehicle accident happened within the parish that is known as St. Catherine, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. I got information that the motor vehicle that Kevin Smith was traveling in had to be cut in order to get him out of the motor vehicle. So it is said that the accident is a multi-vehicle accident, viewers and subscribers, like more than one motor vehicles involved in the accident or the incident. And it is said that apart from the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith, it is said that at least one police officer died as a result of the multi-vehicle accident. Now, information about the incident are somewhat sketchy, viewers and subscribers, because this incident happened today. So therefore, I'm going to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, to check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know when or if I get more information about the incident or the whole situation. Now, for those who might not know or not remember, Kevin Smith is a religious leader who had been taken into police custody after persons died at a church that is located somewhere within the parish of St. James, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, sometime within the month of October, the year 2021. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see.